Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AVEO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? And if you watched yesterday's video, I actually did the daily time frame. So in yesterday's video, each one of these candlesticks here represented an entire day. But now that I'm doing the 30-minute, I get it. This may look like a few weeks worth of time. It's actually just the past 2 days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where the levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. As a quick recap, in yesterday's video, again, using the daily chart, I talked about that green line and put that green line in yesterday's video at $1.95, because if you were to go back and look through the big picture history of things, that level has been a very key and very important level of support. And so far, so good. The price is holding up above it. Right there, got relatively close to it. I'm actually curious, how low did that go? Went as low as $1.96. So within a penny. So anybody that watched yesterday's video, they maybe got in right there, and then it bounced up here to up above $2. But the point here being, that's a very important level of support, and it is indeed holding strong. However, the one thing to keep in mind right now going forward, and the first and new little annotation that I want to throw, is that things are getting weaker and weaker via the highs. If you go back here and you just go through the history of things, yeah, there have been some bounces, but every time it's bounced, these highs just keep getting lower and lower. If you picture those as stair steps, they're very clearly going in the upwards direction. Now, does that imply that for sure guaranteed $1.95 is going to fail and the price is going to break down below it? No, absolutely not. There's no such thing as a guarantee in the market. Would it be shocking to see the price break down through that $1.95 mark? No, that would not be shocking, but myself nor anyone else can sit here and say that for sure that's going to happen, because there are no for sures in the market, because guarantees just don't exist. But that is definitely seemingly what's starting to set up here with these lower highs. Now, if the price can get a break up through that trend line here, so if the bulls can manage something like that, well, then that could definitely change the landscape of the current chart. But as it stands right now, you got to give the advantage to the bears, because obviously, they had a lot of momentum on Tuesday, and then you factor in, just the lessening of these highs today, and things aren't looking totally great. But like I said, you never know, so maybe the price can get some sort of breakout to the upside. We shall see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.